Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you my favorite tea time snack. It's spicy savory lentil cake. It is a soft inside and golden crust on the outside. So for that we need 1 cup of Handvo flour, which is 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of lentil coarsely grinded, 1/4 cup of yogurt. Mix it really well and add enough water to soak the flour, and we are going to let it rest for 4 hours. After 4 hours, we're going to add ginger, chili, garlic, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, salt and sugar, and mix this really well. Now for the softness, I'm going to add a veggies that is a bottle gourd. You can also add shredded cabbage if you like. So I'm just going to peel off the skin and I'm going to shred this. So use a bigger grater and just grate it. Now it has a lot of moisture in it, so I'm going to add pinch of salt so that it can release some moisture, and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to squeeze out all the excess water. So look how much water it has extracted. So now I'm going to add this to our cake mix. Mix this really well, and we are going to add a tempering or tadka. So for the tempering, we need to heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, green chilies chopped, some curry leaves, and asafoetida or hing, and red chili powder. And quickly we're going to add this to our cake mix. Mix this really well, and we're going to heat up the oven at 400 degrees, and in a baking pan I'm going to apply oil and sprinkle some sesame seeds so it can come out really easily. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt, or you can also use a baking soda. Now add the batter and quickly add to the cake pan and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And we're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. So our cake is done. Look how golden it looks, and the knife comes out clean. That means it's done. So I'm going to take it out on a plate. Now because of the sesame seeds, it comes out really easily. And wow, look at the golden crust. Oh my god, this crust is amazingly crunchy on outside, and it is very soft in the inside. This is my favorite tea time snack. So I'm going to cut it into the pieces and I'm going to serve this. Beautiful it looks. So I'm going to have this with my favorite masala tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can click on the links of my other videos at the end of the page, or you can visit my channel page. Thank you for watching. Please do share, subscribe, and like this video.